quickly.
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. New Jersey at 12:50 a.m. on February 17th, 2026, effective until 2:50 a.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency attention signal you just heard would have station or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
You're just
The civil authorities have issued a required monthly test for all of New Jersey beginning at 12:50 a.m. and ending at 2:50 a.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Temperature was 35 degrees. This is a weekly test of the NOAA weather radar forecast reading device for station KIH 28 in Philadelphia. During potentially dangerous weather situations, special field receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, especially warning alarm tone, will vary at any location. This variability, normally noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia, in Pennsylvania, Burbs, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Camden, Boston, Huntington, Mercer, in Delaware, including Upper Delaware Bay, and in Maryland, Seafoam, including Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio all hazards. Station KIH 28 in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio all hazards. 1979. Sunrise today is 9 degrees above. This is a weekly test of the NOAA weather radio all hazards warning device for station WNG 704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Burbs, Chester, Montgomery, Lancaster, and Lebanon. In Delaware, Newcastle. And in Maryland, Seafoam, including Chesapeake Bay North of Fools Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA weather radio all hazards. Station WNG 704 in Hibernia Park, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA weather radio all hazards.
They should interrupt it. Because there's nothing ending nearby. Oh, there we go. Send. Okay, we're all sending it. Okay, HD1 sending. My dog does not. Okay, done.